What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm going to go over something that a lot of people are not talking about online. A lot of people think about affiliate marketing. Yeah, that's right. I said they think about affiliate marketing. They think affiliate marketing is going to sign up with a company like ClickBank, which I'm going to talk about in this video as well. But they think that is easy as going to sign up, get an account with ClickBank, and then just scrolling through different products, taking affiliate links and posting them over the internet everywhere. Guys, that's not affiliate marketing. That is actually called spam. You are actually spamming the internet, and you can actually get your account banned with ClickFunnels. So actually today, what I'm getting ready to show you guys is how to do affiliate marketing appropriately and correctly. And I'm going to give you some tools that you can use to help you implement that and help you implement your affiliate marketing campaign. Let's get into the video.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, there's 3 tools that I am going to show and go over with you guys today that you absolutely need as an affiliate marketer. These tools are the essential tools that you need. I know a lot of people talk about autoresponders, but I'm getting ready to show you guys how you do not need an autoresponder. But on this first site, what I'm getting ready to go over and cover with you guys is a landing page builder. So you guys are actually going to need to have a way to put your products on a particular page. That way you can collect leads. Best landing page builder that I know of is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels markets themselves as a sales funnel. So basically that's what you guys are doing. You are creating sales funnels. You're actually trying to sell a product. Even though it is not your product, you're actually selling somebody else's product. And what you can do is you can actually create an account with ClickFunnels, and you can start building landing pages, and you can put affiliate product on a landing page. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I'm actually inside my ClickFunnels account, and this is a product that I am promoting, which is my own. I created a YouTube book. So pretty much what I'm doing is I am promoting this book. What I want to do is, in me promoting this book, I actually want to collect leads for this book. So I have a landing page. I've created a landing page for this book, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to create a landing page for any affiliate product. So the very first thing that you guys need to do is sign up for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is free. They're giving out free trials. They're doing something special right now, and they're giving you free access to their account. So what I would do is the number one thing that you need to do, because you're going to need landing pages regardless. If you are going to be an affiliate marketer, if you're going to be a digital marketer, if you're even going to start a brick and mortar store, you're actually going to need a website, and ClickFunnels is a way that you can do that. So it's free to sign up, and you can just go ahead, click the link below in the links, and that's the very first thing you guys need to do is sign up for ClickFunnels. And the second thing you guys need to do is create a free account with ClickBank. ClickBank is actually an affiliate site where you can go on and you can promote all these different products in these different niches. I actually have a particular page pulled up right now because this is the product that I'm going to show you guys how to promote. Everybody wants to learn how to set goals. They want to learn how to accomplish their goals. Everybody needs to, especially if you're a business owner, you need to set goals. And this is a particular system that we are actually going to promote that actually shows people how to set goals and how they can reach their goals. So remember, guys, the first thing you need to do is create a ClickFunnels account. The second thing you need to do is go to clickbank.com and create an account with ClickBank. Remember, these two things are free. The links are down below. The third site that I want to talk to you guys about is ManyChat. So what we are actually going to do is we're actually going to integrate all these different softwares I told you, the one, the two, and the three. Remember, it was ClickFunnels, ClickBank, and now it's ManyChat. I'm going to show you guys how to integrate all of these different softwares together and how you can make one affiliate campaign, which we can call a sales funnel. And you don't need an autoresponder for this because actually ManyChat is going to collect your leads. And again, guys, these are three simple softwares and they're free for you to get started. So first thing you guys need to do is check out Make a ClickFunnels account for free. Then you need to set up a ClickBank account so you can actually have a product to sell. And now we're actually going to use ManyChat to collect your leads.